Hello everyone, myself Shubham M. Chaudhary, lecturer at Kekewag Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori. Today we are dealing with experiment number 11 entitled as Assay of Ferrous Sulfate to determine percentage weight by weight of FeSO4 in a given sample of ferrous sulfate. Learning objectives, intellectual skills, to understand the concept of assay, to identify titrant and titrate in titration, to understand the concept of factor calculation and percentage purity. Motor skills, to observe the correct meniscus of solution in burette, to observe the color change at the end point of titration. This assay is based upon oxidation reduction titration, in which oxidation process involves the loss of electrons, whereas the reduction process involves the gain of electrons. When potassium permanganate is used as an oxidizing agent in the titration, it is known as permanganate titration. These titrations are mainly conducted in acidic solution. The ability of KMnO4 solution to oxidize is due to the conversion of MnO4 minus permanganate ions to Mn2 plus manganese in acidic solution. Solutions containing MnO4 ions are purple in color. The solutions of salts containing Mn2 plus ions are colorless. Therefore, a permanganate solution is decolorized when added to a solution of reducing agent. The moment there is an excess KMnO4, the solution becomes purple. Thus, the permanganate ion can act as a self-indicator, especially in acidic conditions. Assay of ferrous sulfate depends upon the oxidation reduction type of titration, where Fe2 plus ferrous ions are readily oxidized by potassium permanganate in acidic solution into Fe3 ions. Thus, ferrous sulfate acts as a reducing agent. Chemical reaction for standardization and assay. Net reaction. Factors for standardization. Each ml of 0.1 normal KMnO4 is equivalent to 0.0278 gram of FeSO4. Factor for assay, each ml of 0.1 normal KMnO4 is equivalent to 0.0278 gram of FeSO4. Apparatus, weighing balance, burette, pipette, conical flask, funnel, measuring cylinder, beaker. And chemicals, ferrous sulfate, potassium permanganate, 0.1 normal primary standard oxalic acid, dilute sulfuric acid and distilled water. Hello everyone, welcome to Pharmaceutical Chemistry. Today we are conducting experiment number 11, that is assay of ferrous sulfate. Now let's start with the standardization of potassium permanganate solution. In this standardization and assay, potassium permanganate acts as a self-indicator. First, we have taken 10 ml of 0.1 normal oxalic acid in this conical flask. Then add 10 ml of dilute sulfuric acid. Then heat this solution up to 70 degrees Celsius. The end point of the standardization of potassium permanganate is colorless to light pink. Now titrate this heated solution with potassium permanganate. The Biuret reading for standardization is 10.3 ml. Similarly, repeat this procedure for 2 more times to calculate the mean. Now let's proceed with the assay of ferrous sulfate. This is already weighed 1 gram of sample. Dissolve in 20 ml of distilled water. Then add 10 ml of dilute sulfuric acid. Potassium permanganate acts as a self-indicator. Then titrate this solution against standardized solution of potassium permanganate. Endpoint is colorless to light pink. Endpoint for the assay, Biuret reading is 36 ml. Repeat the same procedure for 2 more times to calculate the mean. Let's start with the calculation of standardization of potassium permanganate. The Biuret reading is 10.3 ml, mean is 10.3 ml. So potassium permanganate is equal to oxalic acid. N1V1 is equal to N2V2. N1, let's find out N1. N1 is equal to N2V2 divided by V1. Then put the values in the formula. N1 is equal to 0.1 into 10 divided by 10.3. N1 is equal to 0.097 normal. Let's start with the calculation of assay. The Biuret reading for assay is 36 ml. Each ml of 0.1 normal potassium permanganate is equivalent to 0.0278 gram of ferrous sulfate. Then 36 ml of 0.097 potassium permanganate contains how much amount of ferrous sulfate. Then put the values in the formula. 0.0278 into 0.097 into 36 divided by 0.1. Then X is equal to 0.97 gram of ferrous sulfate. Then 1 gram of sample contains 0.0278 into 0.097 into 36 divided by 0.1 into 1. Then 1 gram of sample contains 0.97 gram of ferrous sulfate. Then calculate the percentage purity for ferrous sulfate. 100 gram of sample contains 0.0278 into 0.097 into 36 into 100 divided by 0.1 into 1. The percentage purity for ferrous sulfate is found to be 97.08% weight by volume. Result:
of assay of ferrous sulfate, the normality of potassium permanganate is found to be 0.097 normal and percentage purity is found to be 97.08% weight by volume.